Have you ever looked at a photograph and felt that it was telling a story all on its own? Storytelling photography is powerful. It's not just about capturing a moment, it's about crafting an experience. In today's video, I'm going to take you behind the lens and show you what goes into creating impactful visuals that tell a story. You won't want to miss this if you're looking to level up your photography game. Imagine this, you're scrolling through your Instagram feed and stop on a photo that just clicks. You are not sure why that is pulling you in. Is it the composition, the colors, or the subject's expression? It's all those elements working together to tell a deeper story. Now, storytelling photography is more than just snapping a picture. It's about conveying the emotion, evoking thought, and making your viewer feel something. And whether you're shooting portraits, fashion, or even product photography, every shot has a story to tell. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of crafting impactful visuals that go beyond the surface. Here's the thing, not every photographer focuses on storytelling. Many just want to get a pretty shot and move on. Consumers are craving connection, especially in portrait and fashion photography. The audience want more than just a good-looking picture. They want a story that they can relate to. Without a narrative, a photograph can feel flat, lifeless, and forgettable. But when you inject emotion, context, and intention, that same image can resonate with your audience on a much deeper level. So, how do we go from just another photo to wow, that's a story? Let's break it down. Crafting a storytelling photograph involves a few key steps, and the process starts long before you click the shutter. Let's walk through it. Understand the story you want to tell. Every photo should have a purpose, whether it's to evoke an emotion, represent a journey, or showcase a moment of transformation. You need to have a clear vision. Start by asking yourself, what do I want from my audience to feel when they look at this image? The answer will guide you for the shot. For example, if you're shooting a fashion portrait, maybe you want to convey confidence or vulnerability. If you're working with a couple, maybe you want to capture the quiet moment. The clearer you are about the story, the better the visuals will turn out. Set the scene. Your environment plays a huge role in storytelling. Think about the location, the lighting, the props. These elements can add layers of meaning to your photos. For example, if you're shooting a brand campaign about empowerment, maybe you'll choose a bold, dynamic background. If the focus is about calm and peace, a soft, natural light with a minimalist background might work better. Pro tip: pay attention to the details. Even the smallest prop or color can help reinforce the story that you want to evoke. Capture authentic emotion. A powerful story in a photo often comes from a genuine emotion. Whether it's a laugh, a look, or a pause, capturing that authentic moment is the key. It's not always about perfect poses. It's about the real moments that feel natural and true. To do this, spend time connecting with your subject before you start shooting. Get them comfortable, talk to them, make them laugh, and guide them to feel relaxed. The more they connect with the story, the more they feel the connection through the pictures. Composition and framing. The way you compose your shot can tell a lot about the story. Leading lines, depth, and framing can direct the viewer's eye and add meaning to the photo. For example, placing a subject slightly off-center can create a sense of space or tension, while filling the frame with a subject can make them appear dominant and confident. Remember, composition is key to guiding the viewer's emotion. How you arrange the elements in your photo can significantly influence how the story is perceived. Now let's see how storytelling photography solves the MAN formula: motivation, attention, and need, and how these concepts work to create impact. Motivation. Storytelling photography motivates your audience to engage with your work because it feels authentic. When people see a story unfolding in an image, they feel they are part of it. Creating curiosity, it sparks conversation and it pulls them into your world. Whether it's a portrait of someone overcoming an obstacle or a fashion shoot that represents a bold new chapter, people connect to stories. They are motivated to explore more of your work and follow your journey. Attention. We live in a world full of distractions, and attention is the hardest thing to capture. But a well-told story in a photo instantly grabs attention. Think about it. When was the last time you saw a photo that made you stop scrolling? That's the power of storytelling. It draws the viewer in, making them pause and taking them on a journey. It's not just another image in the field, it's a visual experience. Need. Great storytelling photography speaks directly to the audience need for connection and meaning. When your audience sees a photo that resonates with them emotionally, they feel understood. That's when they start to need what you're offering, whether it's your photography, your product, or your message. Storytelling brings a deeper sense of fulfillment to your audience, and that's what drives loyalty. When you understand your audience needs and deliver a story that connects with them, your work becomes not just a photo, it becomes a part of the personal experience. So here's my challenge to you. The next time you pick up your camera, think beyond just not taking a photo. Craft a story, ask yourself what you want your audience to feel, and then use all the elements of photography, location, lighting, emotion, and composition to tell that story to the most authentic way possible. If you're ready to start creating more impactful story-driven photos that resonates with your audience, I'd love to help. Reach out to me and let's work together to capture those moments that speak volumes. Storytelling photography is about more than just snapping pictures. It's about creating moments that linger, evoke emotion, and connect with your audience. So start thinking about the stories you want to tell. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.